Hi folks, Davey Troyer here with Bishop's RV in Kalispell. Today I'd like to show you the 17 FQ Coleman camper that we have on hand here. This is a great little unit to get you anywhere you'd like to go in those tight spaces. This guy has a new awning topper on it, and we have the solar side prep on it as well. So if you would, follow me inside and we'll check out some of the great features we have for you. So in this little guy, we've got the queen bed here, nice little overhead storage, the residential AC up here. We've got the nice dinette set up here, and this guy can set down for a bed for a couple kids to sleep in. Great option on that. We've got a nice overhead cabinet here with the radio and the TV on this guy, so a pretty good entertainment system. In the back here, we've got the single over double bunk bed. So that's a really good option on that for sleeping a few extra kids or maybe an extra adult or something. So then here in the bathroom, we've got a shower here, and we've got the foot flush toilet on here. So that's a nice feature to always have that foot flush on there. So over here, we've got a nice pantry, beautiful sized pantry on this little guy here. So that's a great feature that I like to point. Here we've got the microwave, 2-burner cooktop, nice decent sized counter space kitchen on it with another nice overhead on the side. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call here at Bishop's RV. My name is Davey Troyer. Thank you and have a great day.